This is gonna blow your mind, but did you know there's more to the US Constitution than just fancy old paper and big words? It's a living document that shapes our daily lives in ways you might not even realize. Yup, it's the supreme rulebook that ensures Uncle Sam plays fair. It's like the ultimate guidebook for how our country operates, making sure everyone from the government to the citizens knows the rules of the game. First up, we have the First Amendment. This bad boy is your VIP pass to say what you want, pray how you want, and get together with others without anyone giving you the side eye. It's the cornerstone of our democracy, giving us the freedom to express ourselves without fear of government retaliation. It's like your personal freedom playlist, unrestricted and totally legit. Whether you're speaking out on social media, attending a peaceful protest, or practicing your religion, the First Amendment has got your back. Moving on, the Fourth Amendment keeps your personal space personal. It's all about protecting your privacy and ensuring that the government can't just barge into your life without a good reason. Think of it as a no trespassing sign for cops without a warrant. It's the ultimate privacy protector, keeping your secrets in and the snoopers out. No warrant, no entry. This amendment is crucial in maintaining the balance between law enforcement and individual rights. Next, we roll into the Fifth Amendment. This one's a real heavyweight champion in the legal ring. It's packed with protections that ensure fair treatment in the justice system. It's saying you can't be tried twice for the same crime and you don't have to testify against yourself. This is known as double jeopardy and self-incrimination protections. It's like having a legal shield that guards you against being forced to spill the beans on yourself. Plus, it ensures that you get due process of law, meaning the government has to follow fair procedures before depriving you of life, liberty, or property. Talk about having your back. The Fifth Amendment also includes the Takings Clause, which means the government can't just snatch your property without paying you fair and square. Plus, it makes sure the government can't just snatch your property without paying you fair and square. This is crucial for protecting private property rights and ensuring that individuals are compensated for any government acquisition of their land. We can't forget the 14th Amendment. This one's a game changer for anyone born or naturalized in the US, locking down citizenship and equal protection. It's a cornerstone for civil rights, ensuring that everyone is treated equally under the law. This one's a game changer for anyone born or naturalized in the US, locking down citizenship and equal protection. It's like a security blanket for your rights, making sure that no state can take away the privileges and immunities of US citizens. It's like the Fairness Doctrine, making sure everyone plays by the same rules, no matter the game board. This amendment has been the foundation for many landmark Supreme Court cases that have expanded civil rights and liberties. And lastly, the 10th Amendment. It's like the referee of the power game between the states and the feds. This amendment ensures that any power not given to the federal government is reserved for the states or the people. It's like the referee of the power game between the states and the feds. If the big rulebook doesn't give a specific power to the federal government, then it's the state's turn to call the shots. This helps maintain a balance of power and prevents the federal government from becoming too powerful. If the big rulebook doesn't give a specific power to the federal government, then it's the state's turn to call the shots. This amendment is crucial for federalism, ensuring that states have the authority to govern themselves in many areas. Balance of power, folks, it's a beautiful thing. There you have it. These amendments are not just historical footnotes, they are living, breathing parts of our legal system that protect our freedoms and rights every single day. 5 key amendments that keep America's democratic engine running smoothly. They are the bedrock of our legal system, ensuring that our rights are protected and that the government operates within its limits. Remember, these aren't just rules, they're the pillars that uphold the very freedoms and rights we cherish every day. Understanding these amendments helps us appreciate the protections we have and the importance of safeguarding them for future generations.